Traders, today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So today on the 1 hour time frame, the US dollar yen actually did go down and break structure. I was talking about that this morning. If it does break structure to the downside, I was saying that the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole series of higher highs, higher lows, which to me is very obviously a nice impulsive uptrend. I would definitely still be bullish based on the daily time frame. I still think this is a wave C, and I still think that we have a decent amount of upside potential. But now that we have a break of structure, it's probably going to spend at least 24 hours to maybe 48 hours in some sort of a pullback, some sort of a three-way pullback, maybe down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So if you do see like one, two, three waves down, A, B, C pullback, nice engulfing move to the upside at a fib level, I definitely would take it as a long. If you are a very short time frame trader, trading like the minute time frames, you could be looking for shorts now that the 1 hour broke structure. For people that are trading like the 1 hour time frame and up like me, I would much prefer to just wait patiently for a three-way pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.